Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Allison back with another video. So today we're talking all things bling. We all know diamonds are considered super precious, right? But did you know there are other gemstones out there that are even more expensive? Some are crazy rare, like we're talking only a handful in the whole world. Others have these mind-blowing properties like changing colors before your very eyes. I know, right? Mind blown. So if you're ready to dive into the dazzling world of super expensive gemstones, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're new here, and let's get this gem party started. First up, we have taphite. Okay, try saying that 5 times fast. This gemstone is so rare it puts diamonds to shame. Seriously, there are probably more celebrities who've been to space. It was actually discovered by accident, like, can you imagine? A gemologist was just chilling looking at some stones and bam! He stumbles upon this super rare beauty. Talk about being in the right place at the right time. Taphite comes in this gorgeous range of colors, from purplish red to even a minty green. But good luck finding one, because they're mostly found in Sri Lanka and Tanzania. And even then, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. Because of its rarity, taphite can cost up to $35,000 per carat. Diamonds, who? Next, we're jetting off to Madagascar, the land of lemurs and grandidierite. This gem was discovered back in 1902, but hold up, it's still one of the rarest gemstones on Earth. It rocks this super unique bluish-green color, kinda like the ocean on a really good day, you know? And guess what? It wasn't until the 1980s that they found enough of it to actually study properly. Most grandidierite comes from, you guessed it, Madagascar. But even there, it's super hard to find. We're talking a handful of locations, guys. And the price? Well, let's just say a high-quality grandidierite can set you back around $20,000 per carat. Okay, buckle up because this one's a wild ride. Painite was once considered the rarest gemstone in the world. We're talking only a handful of crystals known to exist. It was discovered in the 1950s in Myanmar, and for decades there were only like 2 known specimens. Can you imagine having a gemstone named after you, and there are only 2 in the whole world? But then, plot twist. In the early 2000s, more painite was discovered. Don't get too excited though, it's still super rare and crazy expensive. We're talking around $60,000 per carat. That's like a down payment on a house? Or a whole fleet of diamond-encrusted cars? Okay, maybe not, but you get the point. Remember taphite? Well, musgravite is like its long-lost twin. They're often found together, and guess what? Musgravite is even rarer. This gem was first discovered in Australia in 1967, and for years they only found tiny pieces. It wasn't until 1993 that they found a musgravite crystal big enough to actually facet. Like taphite, musgravite can be found in a few other places, but it's mostly found in Australia. And you know what that means. Rarity equals a hefty price tag. A top-quality musgravite can cost up to $35,000 per carat. So if you ever find yourself down under, keep your eyes peeled. You never know, you might just stumble upon a fortune. Move over, rubies. There's a new red gem in town. Red beryl, also known as bickspite, is so rare, it makes rubies look like common pebbles. Okay, maybe not that common, but you get the idea. This fiery gem gets its stunning color from, wait for it, beryllium. And guess what? It's mostly found in one place, the Wawa Mountains in Utah, USA. Talk about exclusive. Because of its rarity and stunning color, red beryl can fetch a pretty penny. We're talking up to $10,000 per carat. So, if you're looking for a truly unique and valuable red gemstone, red beryl is where it's at. Get ready to be amazed because alexandrite is the ultimate chameleon of gemstones. This beauty can actually change color depending on the light. In natural daylight, it shines with a vibrant green hue, but under incandescent light, it transforms into a fiery reddish purple. It's like magic, but it's science. Alexandrite was first discovered in Russia in the 1830s and named after Tsar Alexander II. Talk about a royal gemstone. And because of its color-changing abilities and rarity, alexandrite can cost anywhere from $12,000 to $70,000 per carat. That's like a whole lot of mood swings. Okay, we all know jade, right? But hold up, because jadeite is like the Beyoncé of the jade family. It's the rarest and most valuable type of jade out there. While regular jade comes in a variety of colors, jadeite is known for its vibrant emerald green hue. And the more intense the green, the more expensive it gets. The most prized jadeite comes from Myanmar, where it's been treasured for centuries. It's often carved into intricate sculptures and jewelry. And get this, a single strand of high-quality jadeite beads can sell for millions of dollars at auction. Millions! I'm officially adding jadeite hunting to my bucket list. Get ready to be mesmerized because black opals are like tiny galaxies trapped inside a gemstone. They display a dazzling play of color that shifts and dances as you move it. Unlike other opals, which have a light background, black opals have a dark background, which makes the colors appear even more vibrant and intense. The most valuable black opals come from Lightning Ridge in Australia, where miners risk their lives to unearth these treasures. And because of their rarity and breathtaking beauty, black opals can command prices of over $10,000 per carat. That's one expensive galaxy. If you're a fan of blue gemstones, then benitoite is about to become your new obsession. This rare gem rocks an intense blue fluorescence that's out of this world. It was first discovered in San Benito County, California, back in 1907, and guess what? It's still mainly found in that one area. Talk about exclusive. Benitoite's rarity and stunning blue color make it a highly sought-after gemstone for collectors and jewelry enthusiasts alike. And while it's not as expensive as some of the other gems on this list, a high-quality benitoite can still set you back a cool $4,000 to $7,000 per carat. Okay, we've been talking about gemstones more expensive than diamonds, but we can't forget about the OG bling. And when it comes to diamonds, the Pink Star diamond reigns supreme. This 59.60 carat pink diamond is the largest internally flawless, fancy, vivid pink diamond ever graded by the GIA. That's a mouthful, but basically, it's the Beyoncé of pink diamonds. In 2017, the Pink Star diamond was sold at auction in Hong Kong for a record-breaking $71.2 million. That's enough to buy a small island, or a whole fleet of diamond-encrusted cars. So yeah, diamonds might not always be a girl's best friend, but the Pink Star diamond? That's a whole other level of friendship. So, there you have it, guys. 10 gemstones that put even the sparkliest diamonds to shame. From the chameleon-like alexandrite to the galaxy-like black opal, these gemstones prove that Mother Nature is the ultimate bling queen. Which one of these dazzling gems was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay sparkly.